Hello beautiful people, thank you all for coming back as always. Today I want to share with you this amazing and easy pepper soup spice mix. My Nigerian people, are you guys in the house? Just let me know in the comment section if you are here by typing high five spice mix, because this recipe is coming straight from your country and I'm glad to share with you all this amazing recipe. A pinch of this in your pepper soup and your family will start licking their mouth. Let's get started. Alright, for this spice mix, I'm going to need some dried rosemary. I have with me here some bay leaves as well. Can use any amount of bay leaves that you want. This is to my preference. I'm also going to need some coriander seed, African nutmeg. You can also choose to call it Calabash nutmeg if you want. And the rosemary and the coriander seed is totally optional. You can choose to omit that. Next, I'm going to need some white pepper. You can also use black pepper if you want. To that, I'm going to need some cloves and also grains of celery. You can also choose to call it Negro pepper if you want, okay? Last but not the least, I'm going to need some Aidan fruit. This is called Prekese in Ghana and I mostly use it in my palm nut soup. If you really watch my videos very well, this is very medicinal. So for the Prekese or the Aidan fruit, I'm going to cut the soft part of it because that is what I'm going to use for the recipe. You know, this sometimes can be really hard, so I'm going to cut the soft part for this recipe and keep the rest for something else. And I'm cutting the soft part because I'm going to use my blender to blend this and I don't want to spoil my blender. So I need the soft part for it to blend really smooth. So to a heated pot, I'm going to add in all my spices and I'm going to toast this for about 5 minutes on a medium heat. So if you are wondering of where to get this kind of spices, in Ghana here you can get these spices from your local store, especially from the market woman who sells onions, pepper, garlic, ginger. And you can also get this from Amazon if you can't get this from a nearby market. And if today been your first time on this channel, welcome to Cooking with Efia. This is a foodie channel and I know you're going to love staying here. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Kindly do subscribe to my channel and be part of this beautiful family. And to my returning subscribers, you guys are too much. High five to everyone. Thank you for liking my videos, sharing and commenting. Fam, your baby girl is very grateful. Thank you so much for doing that. And after toasting this for about 5 minutes, we're going to allow this to cool down completely before we blend this, okay? And after this has cooled down completely, I'm going to transfer this into my mini blender. You can use your regular blender if you want. And I'll also go ahead and add in my white pepper powder to blend alongside with my blended ingredients. Blend this until you get a very smooth consistency. Make sure you are using a very sharp blade for you to get that very smooth texture you are looking for. And if you are still watching this video at this point and you haven't liked my video yet, please do well to like my video and please do share as well. And now see how smooth our pepper soup spice mix look right now. Very smooth, and that is what I am looking for. So now let's set this aside and transfer this into an airtight container like this and store for future use. Trust me, a tablespoon of this in your pepper soup or your light soup will go miles away. Trust me on this one. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you enjoyed watching my videos, please do well to like, comment and share this video for me, and please do well to subscribe as well and be part of this beautiful family. And if you watched this video to this point, that means you are a proud foodie member. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye and stay blessed.